Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and I have a little update because it has been over 1 year since I have posted a video, thanks to Rona and other things that I guess I just wanted to talk about because they may still be relevant. I've just had a really hard 2021. I honestly thought that 2020 with the pandemic and that would kind of be the end of it, and that, you know, as things turned back to normal, that life would go back to normal for me, but that just wasn't the case. I posted a video last November and I had planned on taking December completely off because my husband's grandpa, my papa, was sick and he ended up getting COVID-19 and passing away a couple of days before Christmas. I'd planned on taking it off because I just wanted to spend time with my papa. I started my channel because I had lost my mom in August of 2016. My mom committed suicide and I used cooking as a coping mechanism because it's just what I did to cope. I started Recipes Tested because I would cook things and sometimes they would turn out really great and sometimes they would turn out like shit. So I started Recipes Tested so that I could try things so you don't have to. After Papa died, I just was so focused on spending time with my family that it just wasn't even a thought. Summer hit and I was like, okay, I feel like I'm doing good about Papa. I could go back to doing YouTube and doing Recipes Tested because I honestly miss it. I love cooking. I love sharing my passion. But then this June, I got a phone call from my sister that my little brother had passed away from an overdose. I was shocked. I didn't believe it, but he did, and he died. One of the last things that we talked about was that he really turning his life around and he met this amazing woman and her family and he really wanted to be a better man for them. He's 28. He's 28 years old. After he died, I tried to do what I did with my mom. And I tried to turn to cooking, but it just wasn't the same. I felt like I was cooking things that I knew would turn out, that were a comfort, things that I knew would have a positive reaction because I needed something good in my life. I have so many videos that I filmed and I have ready to edit, but I have not sat down to actually edit them and upload them because honestly it just feels so senseless in the grand scheme of so many things. You know, losing a family member to something that's completely preventable. It's something that just doesn't need to happen. If there's anything that I could say, it's that if you know anybody that is struggling with this, they're not alone. They have people in their lives that will help them. I guess I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that I'm just struggling a little bit, and I'm appreciative of everybody who has kind of stuck around for me. Food for me has just been so much of a crutch in my life, and it's something that I turn to for joy. I don't really know how I want to end this. Right now, it's really hard, but I know that things will get better, and I'm looking forward to getting back into things. I thank you guys for sticking around with me and just being there. I will hopefully get to filming more recipes soon, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and letting me let you know about what's going on, and I will see you guys with my next video.